Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business energy post using smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in a clean business banner that looks too rigid. I stop here because business design should feel confident, not frozen. I duplicate the layer first to stay safe. Now I select the smudge tool and choose a medium soft brush. I gently drag the background colors sideways to introduce motion. I slow down and feel the flow forming. I reduce strength because subtle movement builds trust in business visuals. I zoom in and carefully smudge edges near the headline to add life without distortion. I pause and check readability. This pause matters. I smudge lightly behind key business icons so attention